Alrighty, Jeep guys, I need your help. This here is a '89 Jeep Wrangler Laredo. 4.2 liter carbureted engine, 5-speed stick. This is what I need help with. Have you guys ever seen one of these before? This is to lock and unlock the hood. It actually has a cable running to the hood, and there's a pin. Like that it's unlocked, like that it's locked. So that way you can't open it from outside. And I sure would like to get a key made for that. Anyone know where I can go about getting a key made for that? What this is called exactly? I'm assuming this was a dealer add-on. It could have came factory with it, I don't know. But if anyone's seen one of those, please let me know if you know where I can get a key, the company that made it, anything like that. I would appreciate it. Thank you.